Ma'am, self-actualization. Self-actualization
No,
is still
first one. Self-actualization is not the first one. What is the first one?
physiological needs, safety needs, love and belonging, esteem, self-actualization.
Very good, Rajdeep. Excellent. Now you tell me, Udit. Udit,
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what you mean by this thing? Human needs.
Human needs are that we needs are called human needs. Like human needs oxygen, air, air, oxygen, water, food, and clothes.
So what type of needs are these? Clothes, water, food, shelter. What type of needs are these? Tell me.
Self-actualization needs.
These are not self-actualization needs. What type of needs are these?
Personal needs.
No, these are not personal needs also.
And I don't know.
Okay, Rajdeep, can you help him, beta?
What, ma'am?
What type of needs are this?
Ma'am, 5 types of need. Good evening, ma'am.
No. What are the basic needs known as? Good evening, beta.
Ma'am. Food, clothes, house.
Just a second, wait. What are those needs known as? Almost to wait. Rajdeep, tell me.
Ma'am, food, clothes, house, water.
Yes. So what are those needs known as, Rajdeep? Food, clothes, house, water. You told me a few minutes
Some
ago.
basic needs of human.
Tell me again. No, not the basic need. What is the term used?
Some physiological needs.
Physiological needs. Excellent. So Udit, that is known as physiological needs. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So first is physiological needs. Which is the second one?
Second one is self-actualization. Their personal growth.
What are there in self-actualization?
There are self-fulfillment and releasing one's full potentials.
No. Before self-actualization, what are there? First is physiological need. What is the second needs known as?
Pers- Ma'am,
I'm going to wait a second. Yes, Udit, can you tell me? Can you tell me, beta?
Sense of connection.
No. Okay, Amonto, can you brief me? Listen to Amonto.
Then what?
What is, brief me about human needs, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Human needs are physiological needs, safety needs, love and belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Ma'am,
Abhishekta. Okay, now,
physiological needs are air, water, food, shelter, sleep, clothing, and reproduction. Now, safety needs. Safety needs are personal security, employment, resources, health, property. Now, love and belonging. Love and belonging is friendship, intimacy, family, sense of connection. Now, esteem. Esteem is respect, self-esteem, status, recognition, strength, freedom, and self-actualization. Desire to become the most that one can be.
very good. Okay, now, Udit, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Self-actualization. Self-actualization is to make first is first is the ma'am. Uh, Ma'am, you can show the picture of that steam on that picture.
No, Udit, I can't. You do one thing, listen to Abhishekta. Abhishekta, tell me, beta, what do you know about human needs? Last day I told you what today I will be taking a question answer session, beta. Yes, Abhishekta, can you brief me, beta, about human needs?
Physiological needs: air, water, food, shelter, sleep, clothing, and reproduction. Safety: personal security, employment, resources, health, property. Love and belonging: friendship, intimacy, family, sense of connection. Esteem: respect, self-esteem, status, recognition, strength, freedom. Self-actualization: desire to become most one can be and to achieve one's potentiality. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Udit.
Ma'am, what is the first? What is the first one?
First one is physiological needs.
Physiological needs, then love and belonging.
No,
And
first is, wait. First is physiological needs, then it is security, then it is love and belonging, then it is esteem, and the last but not the least is, tell me, the
sense of connection. No, self-actualization.
very good, self-actualization. Now tell me, Udit. Udit, can you tell me?
Physiological needs: security, love and belonging, esteem, then a sense of
Self-actualization. Very good, Udit. Okay, now Shuanshu, can you tell me better?
Yes, ma'am. Multiple choice.
So, Anshu, can you tell me about human needs?
Human need are the physiological need, esteem, personal security, and self-actualization, like that one, and also the physiological need and the basic need like air, water, sunlight, shelter, and esteem, self-actualization, means our respect, like this.
First is physiological needs. What is the second one, beta?
I mean, the safety need,
Safety needs. Which is the third one?
esteem,
Esteem needs. Very good. Which is the fourth one?
is safety.
No, that you told me. First is physiological, then it is safety, then it is...
Self-actualization.
Very good. It is self-actualization. Very good, Shuanshu. Okay. Now, can you brief me what you mean by physiological needs, Abhishekta?
Physiological needs are air, water, food, shelter, sleep, clothing, and reproduction.
Good evening, Shivam. Very good. Okay, Amoto, can you tell me what is the physiological need?
Physiological needs are air, water, food, shelter, air, water, food, shelter, and reproduction.
Very good. Excellent. Now,
No,
Shivam, can you
air,
brief
water,
me?
food, sorry,
Great.
I'm sorry, air, water, food, shelter, sleep, clothing, and reproduction. Yes, ma'am.
Shivam, can you brief me about human needs, beta?
Sorry, physiological needs are air, water, food, shelter, clothing, sleep, and reproduction.
Very good. Okay, now can you tell me, Shivam, about the human needs?
To fulfill esteem needs, individuals may engage in activities that boost their self-esteem, seek approval from others, strive for success, engage in self-improvement, and gain recognition for their accomplishments.
Okay, now can you tell me what is physiological needs, beta?
Physiological needs are home, home, food, shelter, clothes, etc.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, now Rajdeep, can you tell me what are physiological needs, beta?
Ma'am, air, water, food, shelter, sleep, clothing.
Very good. Excellent. Now, Shoanshu, can you tell me what are physiological needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what are physiological needs?
Physiological needs are basic needs like air, water, shelter, food. This need and physical need also known as basic needs.
Very good. Excellent, Shoanshu. Okay, now Muthu, can you tell me what are the safety needs? Muthu, can you tell me what are safety needs?
Safety needs are personal security, employment, resources, jobs. Wait. Personal security, employment, resources, health, and property. These are called safety needs.
Very good. Excellent. Now, Avishikta, can you tell me about safety needs, beta?
Safety needs are personal security, employment, resources, health, property.
Very good. Excellent. Can you tell me, Shuanshu, what are safety needs?
Safety need are the safety needs are shelter. These are the safety needs.
Tell me again. Shuanshu, can you tell me again? Okay, Udit, can you tell me about safety needs?
Safety needs, personal security, property, resources, employment, and health.
Very good. Yes, Shivam, you can tell me.
Personal security, employment, property, and health.
Tell me again, Shivam.
Personal security, property, employment, etc. And health.
Okay, very good. Shuanshu, have you listened to Shivam? Now can you tell me better?
Property, security, and shelter are the safety needs.
Very good. Excellent. So now you tell me, Amoto, about the love and belonging, beta.
Love and belonging is friendship, intimacy, friendship, intimacy, family, and sense of connection.
Okay, very good. Now, Abhishekta, can you tell me about love and belonging?
Friendship, intimacy, family, and sense of connection. These are love and belonging.
Can I tell?
Yes, tell me, beta.
Intimacy, family, love and belonging, etc.
Very good. Excellent, Shivam. Now, Rajdeep, tell me
Which one I tell?
about love and belonging, beta.
Friendship, intimacy, sense of connection, family.
Very good. Excellent. Now, can you explain it to me, Udit?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of intimacy?
What is the meaning of intimacy? Intimacy means closeness. When you are very close to someone, it is called intimacy.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what you have told to me?
I have asked you about love and belongings, beta.
Love and belonging is personal security, property, resources, love and belonging, intimacy, sense of connection.
Is he correct, Shuanshu? Can you tell me what does love and belonging tell us?
Love and belonging tells us. Yes, correct.
Tell me, Shuanshu. Okay. Shivam, do one thing. Brief it to Shuanshu, beta. What does love and belongings tells us?
Love and belonging. Yes. Belonging means that you belong to us, and love is um, love is when love is love.
Okay, Amoto, explain to Shuanshu about love and belongings, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Love and belonging is friendship, intimacy, family, and sense of connection.
Very good. Now,
Friendship means
Shuanshu, can you tell me about love and belonging?
If this voice is not clear.
It's still not clear. Okay, Abhishekta, can you explain what is love and belonging?
Love and belonging. Friendship, intimacy, family, sense of connection. All of these are social matter.
Yes, now can you tell me, Shuanshu, about love and belonging?
Yes, ma'am. The family, best friend, sense of connection are the example of that love and belonging.
Very good. Okay, now Amoto, tell me about esteem needs.
okay, ma'am. Esteem means respect, self-esteem, status, recognition, strength, and freedom.
Very good.
Can I tell?
Yes, Shivam, tell me.
Respect, freedom, and the other is stand.
Okay, good. Abhishekta, can you tell me better about the esteem needs?
Esteem needs are respect, self-esteem, status, recognition, strength, freedom.
Freedom. Very good. Okay. Now, Udit, tell me about esteem needs.
Again said the esteem needs.
Okay, Abhishekta, explain to him what you mean by esteem needs.
Esteem needs are respect, self-esteem, status, recognition, strength, freedom.
Is it clear now? Can you tell me, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Udit.
Yes, ma'am. I have understood.
So tell me. Tell me
Esteem
about
needs.
yes.
Esteem needs is freedom, respect, recognition.
Okay, good. Now, can you tell me, Shuanshu, about the esteem need?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me about the esteem needs?
Once the self-esteem connect that the self-improvement, the gain, and appreciation.
It's not self-improvement, but listen to Abhishekta. Abhishekta, can you explain to Shuanshu what do we mean by esteem needs?
Esteem needs are respect, self-esteem, status, recognition, strength, freedom. These are mental needs.
Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can you tell me, Shuanshu, what do we mean by esteem needs?
Ma'am, your voices are breaking.
Shuanshu, can you tell me better about the esteem needs? Anything that you know about esteem needs?
Self-respect, self-respect, and also that no, like that. Young correct, ma'am.
Tell me again, Shuanshu.
Self-respect,
Self-respect, what else?
aspect.
What else? Tell me, Shuanshu.
My voice is not clear.
Tell me about esteem needs, beta.
The esteem need are the recognition and self-respect and the personal.
Okay, good. Okay, now Amonto, can you tell me about the next one, self-actualization?
Self-actualization is desire to that most one can be.
The most one can be. Very good. Abhishekta, can you tell me?
self-actualization. Desire to become the most one can be and to achieve one's potentiality.
Ma'am, what is self-actualization?
Most one can be.
Okay, Shivam, can you explain to him what is self-actualization?
Self-actualization means need to represent the highest level of psychological development. Like we are doing a job. Like I am police officer and Omoto is a doctor. So it is called self-actualization that relate to personal growth, fulfillment, and realizing one's full potential.
Self-actualization means the utilization of your full potential. For example, as you told Shivam that you are a police officer and Omoto is a doctor. That is not self-actualization. When Omoto will become...
Ma'am, can I tell? Can I tell? Connection?
Yes, tell me better.
The self-actualization is what is we want to be in our life. Like in life, that is self-actualization. That after we do all those, then we need the job or security. So we have to need money. So we, accordingly to our choice, we select job. That is, and our self-actualization also which one can better. So,
Very good. Excellent.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is physiological. It is physiological, not psychological.
No, it is psychological only, not physiological. Okay, let me explain to you all. Self-actualization means the total use of a potential. For example, Omoto wants to be a doctor. If he becomes a doctor also, then also I will not say that he has attained his self-actualization. When he will attain his ultimate goal, like if he wants to become a doctor, when he will make his name in the world as a doctor, then we will call, yes, Omoto has attained his self-actualization. Is it clear to everyone? The most use of one's potential is known as self-actualization. Udit, is it clear? Udit and Shuanshu?
no, ma'am.
Udit, what you want to become?
I became to a IPS officer.
You want to become an IPS officer. After becoming an IPS officer, do you want to stop there or do you want to become more successful?
More successful.
So ultimately, what you want to become?
I ultimately become IPS officer.
After
More,
IPS officer, what will you become?
more development.
Yes, if you want to develop more, then you have to become an IG. That is Inspector General. So that you can manage a full zone instead of just a small place.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is called self-actualization. When you will become the IG, that is known as self-actualization. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what is self-actualization, Udit.
Self-actualization is an act to be a more developments.
The full utilization of one's potential is called self-actualization.
Full potential.
Full use of one's potential. full use of one's potential is called self-actualization. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me. What is your name? Yes, Shuanshu, tell me what do we mean by self-actualization? Shuanshu, can you tell me what we mean by self-actualization?
And the screen is black.
Self-actualization is that how it is the mean which is the highest level. Like the self-actualization is what we need. After all this, when we need job or money, so we go to physics. Then it comes self-actualization. Self-actualization is our job. Someone needs to become an IA and the doctor and so on. This is self-actualization.
Very good. Excellent, Shuanshu. Okay. Now, Shivam, can you read it from here?
From where?
To fulfill esteem needs from here, beta.
Where?
To fulfill
No, where?
esteem needs.
To
This one.
fulfill esteem needs, individuals may engage in activities that boost their self-esteem, seek approval from others, strive for success, engage in self-improvement, and gain recognition for their accomplishments.
Very good. So can you explain, Shivam, what this paragraph means?
I don't understand.
It's very easy. Amoto, can you explain it, beta? This paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, explain it, beta.
Self-actualization needs represent the highest levels of physiological development according to Maslow. These needs relate to personal growth, self-fulfillment, and realizing one's full potential. Self-actualization involves the following aspects.
I told you to explain this paragraph, Amoto. Can you explain?